Good morning, guys. We are in my kitchen again. I am very shiny. Great. I feel like every time you guys have seen me in a vlog, I've just looked a little bit like a mess, like a slob, but it's only because that's how I kind of been living. Yeah, we're still living on a building site, but good news is today we are getting our countertops installed. Getting a quartz countertop which looks like marble. It's white and it has some really nice like grey lines through it. I've only seen a sample of it, so hopefully like the actual piece is going to be absolutely amazing. Not sure how much I'm going to film of the process because first of all I don't know how many guys it's going to take to fit the countertop space, and second of all I always feel really weird filming people that I don't know who are trying to just, you know, get on with their day, their job. So yeah, I will figure that out. But yesterday I actually came back home and in the afternoon decided that I was going to paint the kitchen, and I didn't film anything because it was pretty late when I started painting the kitchen. I do need to do one more coat and a few touch-ups here and there, but literally the space looks so good, because you guys know that we had like the ceilings painted in the last vlog. But yeah, I've literally opened up the whole space by literally just painting everything white. I wanted the kitchen to be just really bright, light and airy, but another part of my brain wanted it to be like quite dark and moody. So I don't know, I'll probably like do a dark moody kitchen like years down the line, but at the moment I just want to keep things simple and less chaotic with a nice light bright kitchen. I'll show you guys the whiteness. But yeah, I've literally painted everything, painted these walls. I do need to do one more coat because it's just a bit messy and I couldn't really see much last night. Because when you paint like the white paint, it's really difficult to see where you've painted. So yeah, it's such lovely lighting in here, and again, ceilings are all white with all the brass fittings. I'm very happy with it. But yeah, and then the tiling gets done tomorrow, like the first part of the tiling. I'll show you guys what tiles we picked for the floor. This is the tile that we picked for the floor. I hope you guys can see that properly like in the light, but it's such a beautiful like ceramic, like whitish grey. It has like really beautiful like lines through it. Hold on, there we go. So really nice, beautiful like grey lines through it. And I was kind of umming and ahhing, and we did want to go with like another tile choice, but when we went to buy it, they were like, oh yeah, it's discontinued. But even though they still advertised it, which is really annoying. So yeah, we found these at B&Q and it was an extra 15% off, and I think for all the tiles we paid just a little over like £100, which is really not bad because I didn't realise how much, like how expensive tiles were. Really happy with these, really excited for them to go in. I think once the floor goes in, after the countertop goes in today, it's going to make such a huge difference. The countertops are in. Does kind of smell like a nail salon in here at the moment. I think of all the glue that they use to like put the worktops on, but it looks so nice. I'll show you guys now. So this is the quartz worktop that we went with. I think this is called a Treviso or something, Treviso from Ren and it is so lovely. I didn't want anything that was going to be too busy, and yeah, this is like the perfect amount of like marble lines that I want, and yeah, it looks really good. This is kind of like the full view of it, but I literally cannot wait to put things on the counter and yeah, to put the tap back in. He says that we can't like move the sink or lean the sink for about 12 hours while everything dries. But yeah, like the whole area, I think he said takes about 12 hours. But yeah, it's so nice. Look at it. Also, I thought that I would just pop in this video. You guys can see how kind of like OCD and just how, I don't know, how I love being organised, let's put it that way. I ordered these amber glass bottles from Amazon. I've actually ordered a few more as well to come tomorrow, but I also ordered these labels, and I love labels. I love organising labels, keeping it really neat and tidy. So yeah, I've ordered these. The amber jars comes with like 2 different lids. So there's like a cap lid and also a spray bottle. Yeah, I just thought that I would pop them in this video just because kitchen reno stuff. I know it's not like building stuff technically, but I'm obsessed and they look so good and aesthetically pleasing. Yeah. Oh, and I also did it for my jars and stuff. I guess I can show you. They're not completely done. I'm still waiting for more stuff to arrive, so bear that in mind. We have spices, and then we also have some of these jars. Ignore the tape, I don't know why that's in there. I've ordered more spice pots to arrive, spice jars, because I totally forgot to order some extra stuff, but they all look like this. How, like, this is like porn to me. So good. Everything's so neat and tidy. I also ordered this like spice rack thing. It is extendable as well if you wanted to, but I don't have like that many spices, so I just kept them like that. Brought little baskets and labels again. Like, it's not fully done yet, so I will show you guys when it is, and like the final kitchen reveal. Oh, and this is probably my favorite. It's like my tea cupboard bit. Yeah, very proud of this situation. I will link all of that stuff in the description box as well if you guys are interested. I posted it on my Insta stories and everyone just went nuts, and everyone appreciated all the labels, the jars and the organisation. So yeah, I thought I would just pop it in this vlog. Hi guys, another day, another thing ticked off the list. Well, halfway. So the floor went in today. I think it's being grouted on Friday, and yeah, I can show you guys. I have to carefully walk on the tiles because they are still setting, but I can show you guys. Look at this. It looks so good and it looks so much bigger now. It's so nice. Hi guys, yeah, I know it's been a little while since I popped on here, but yeah, we just had some work done to the kitchen. For about a month we didn't have anything done, so hence why I didn't film anything, but we have the wall tiles all done, so I'll show you guys properly in a second, and we literally just had the under cabinet lights installed, which has made such a huge difference, so I'll show you guys that now. So the wall tiles are in, and we went for this like matte white rustic tile that we picked up from Topps Tiles. We also had these changed to brass today as well. And yeah, all the under cabinet lights are fitted. I am so happy with them. Literally makes such a big difference. And thank God I don't have to have like the big lights on when I'm cooking at night now. But yeah, we still have a bit of stuff to do. We still have to put a door on here and a door on here. We have to fix the hood because it wasn't working, and then obviously just to fix this a little bit and paint the rest of the walls, do a bunch of touch-ups, and then of course get rid of this bright green blind. But yeah, the kitchen is slowly coming together. Nothing is going to be done with the kitchen next week as we are away, but then hopefully the week after, I think we'll have people in to work with the kitchen again, and then that's kind of pretty much it, apart from the bench that is going to be built by the window. I'm not 100% sure when that is going to go up, so I might just upload the part 2 kitchen reno video without the bench section for now, and then when I do like the final kitchen reveal, hopefully the bench has been built. Yeah, we're not really sure when we can get someone in to build it, but yeah, super excited. Hello guys, it is 2022. And since I last filmed a little update for you guys, nothing has been done to the kitchen, hence why there is a massive gap. And I thought some extra bits were going to be done, but it's not. And quite frankly, I don't want you guys to keep on waiting for the part 2 of the kitchen renovation. So I thought I would film this end bit for you guys, and once we get more work done to the kitchen, I will of course update you guys and vlog it. But yeah, nothing has been done, so couldn't really give you guys any update, hence why there was a massive gap in filming. Yeah, I thought I would just kind of film the end of it because really nothing has been done since the last time. So yeah, that's kind of currently the update. Hopefully kind of like the next like final touches of the kitchen will be done very soon. We have to do our downstairs flooring for the dining room and the living room, I think next week. Super quick turnaround, but yeah, that'll be really fun. And then after that, I think I'm actually going to do a full-on house update to show you guys the bits that we've done to the house so far, because we've actually done quite a lot since like the house tour. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye guys.